you guys have an Instagram account and you want to make money through it. So guys, I will show you how you can easily make money through your Instagram account through an autopilot. You do not have to do anything. Everything gonna be do by the software, like we will discuss in this series. So don't miss the series. It could be like 4 to 5 video series in which I will show you how you can easily make money through your Instagram account. So let's get started. So guys, let me explain you what is autopilot. In short, you can set up Instagram accounts, lots of them, and have them follow and like other accounts every 24/7. So you can interact 800 people per day. You do not have to do anything. Everything gonna be do by the bot. So now imagine guys, one person sees your account in their notification, and person sees an interesting username and profile picture offering something like free followers. If person is interested, he will definitely proceed. A person check your accounts and see that your account is giving away free followers. The link in the bio leads them to a site, yeah, offering them the free followers. But first they have to download an application on their phones and have to open that app like 40 to 50 seconds, and then they will get free followers. And when they do so, you will get like $1 to $2 on each application they install on their mobile phone and open for 50 seconds. So guys, this could be very amazing. You just have to wait and watch. So the key to having long-term success with Instagram and CPA using evergreen niche like always be profitable, like weight loss, dating, etc. So that work well on Instagram, right? I always recommend people start with the free followers niche. Don't try to overcomplicate the process for yourself, especially if you are new to the game. Using other niche will require good targeting, copywriting skills, a lot of testing and research work. So you just go with the free followers, that could be okay niche, and save yourself to the headache for now. Okay, right? So you have to go for the niche free followers. Your focus should be on getting one account to make like $1 per day, and then scale up, and then spend time experimenting with other niches. You should go on with other niche as well if you want. At the moment, the average earning per account for newcomers right from the start is around 0.3 cents. This is bad targeting. I'll show you how to set that up later on, but for now let's focus on the most essential requirements. So you just have a network connection, a bot, a server to run the bot 24/7, and an optional, like it is optional, premium landing page you should have. You just need to hosting, it is optional as well. That's all guys. You just need to these things, and you can make easily money through your Instagram account. So in the next tutorial of this series, I will show you how you can set up your bot. What bot should you set up on your PC for autopilot. So we will meet in our next tutorial. See you soon guys.